Hello, today we are going to be making GIFs in Photoshop, and we're also going to be showing you how to export these GIFs as a GIF and then also how to render it as a video so that you can play it on Instagram or post it on Instagram. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to File, go down to Scripts, and then Load Files into Stack. You're then going to hit Browse, and you're going to select the photos that you want to make a GIF out of. The ones that I want to make a GIF out of are in this film folder. I took some on like a test strip for the Nishika N8000. So it's a really cool 3D film camera. But you can use from digital, from film, you can use any kind of photos that you want. Then you're going to click Open, attempt to automatically align, if you want to do that, and then OK. It should load. You're going to then click Create Frame Animation, and then I command click, and then you click that little 3 layer, and then click Make Frames from Layers, and you'll see they all come over here in the little frame animation like they're supposed to. You can change the speed of them. Totally up to your personal preference, doesn't matter. And then I'm going to make sure, like you see these little clear pixels on the side, the transparent pixels, I'm going to enlarge in the borders so that we don't see those. And when you hit automatically align layers, they'll kind of adjust the rest of them, but then I always like to go through all of them and make sure that none of the pixels are showing. Click done. When you're done, let it play. This is the film photos, like I said, so you'll see in the bottom right corner that like black, that's just from the film strip photo. You can keep it in there or not, it's personal preference. Most of this is personal preference, so just have fun and play around with it. I'm gonna adjust the top so I don't see the film strip at all. And I'm happy with how the GIF looks at the moment. So I'm going to select all of them, Command, make sure it's set to forever, and then click that little square plus button. And this is going to give you like the length, because each of this is like 0.1 of a second. And so whenever we want to render the video for Instagram, you need to at least have it be 4 or 5 seconds total for Instagram to accept the video to play. And then I'm going to select all of them, click File, go to Export, Save for Web. This is for the GIF version, which you'll be able to like send in text messages or put on your website or portfolio or a blog. And you can copy these exact settings. You can pause here. You can click Original or Optimized. It doesn't matter to me personally. And then you're going to name the GIF, whatever you want to name it, and save it in your downloads, save in a folder, save it to where you can find it easily. Okay, now it's going to save it. It might take a minute. Okay, now it's saved. You're going to go back up to File, Export, and then this time you're going to click Render Video instead. And this is going to be the file that you can post on social media. Again, name it something easy to find, and click Render. The video will probably take longer than the GIF itself. Okay, and now you have your GIF and your video that you can post on social media, or you can post it on your blog, or you can send it through text messages. Pretty easy, right? Okay, and then there's the GIF version. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was easy to follow along. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.